Welcome back. Today, we're diving into one of the most thrilling performance cars of 2025, the Audi RS7. A perfect blend of luxury, technology, and breathtaking power. Let's see what makes this beast so special. The Audi RS7 belongs to the high-performance RS family. It's not just a luxury sedan. It's a supercar in disguise with 4 doors and a powerful heart under the hood. Aggressive, sporty styling with wide stance, matrix LED headlights, large honeycomb grille, 21 or 22-inch alloy wheels, sleek coupe-like roofline performance, 145 to 245, 4.0-liter twin turbo. V8 engine, 621 horsepower, 627 pound-feet torque, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.3 seconds. Quattro all-wheel drive for ultimate grip. Mild hybrid system improves efficiency. Luxurious leather sports seats with diamond stitching. Virtual cockpit with RS-specific displays. Dual touchscreen, MMI, infotainment bang, and Olufsen 3D sound system, ambient lighting for a futuristic feel, safety and driver assistance, 4 to 445. Adaptive cruise control, lane departure, warning 360 degrees camera system, night vision assist, multiple airbags, plus stability control. Pros: supercar-level performance, luxury interior, advanced tech. Cons: expensive, high fuel consumption. The Audi RS7 2025 is for those who want both thrill and luxury in one package. It's not just a car, it's an experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews.